You okay, Jimmy? You really okay? You okay? You really okay? You look okay?
Needless to say, I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck.
Hey, Wade.
Hi, Tom. Wait here. What is going on?
Oh, gosh, I think the power's out.
You know, the lights are out. The whole town is freaking out. What should I do?
Okay, relax. Take a deep breath. Call Gil, see if they can locate the down line. Then call Zim and see if he can get his generator over to the Super Q so the food stays fresh.
Call Sam before Gil? Call Gil. Hello? Call Gil. Hello?
Call you back.
Wait, hello? Was that the end of the instructions? Ow. Okay, all right. You can do this. What was the first thing he said to do? Right. Relax.